Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another Disney Pixar Cars Diecast video on the channel. Today, I'm actually going to do a little bit of an unboxing. Now, I've already opened up the box, of course, because I wanted to make sure it was the right purchase that I had. And yes, it is correct. And this video might, of course, not be released straight away, due to, I've got so many videos to record, and I like to do 2 videos a day for you guys, at least. So yeah. Here is the package. It is from my favourite, of course, seller in the UK. Helped me out massively. As you can tell, 2021 cars, and yeah, I think you guys already know what they are because I recently done reviews on them, but the second ones have finally just arrived, and you know what, why not just do a quick video for you guys and showcasing what I actually got, because you know, content is content. And yes, so here is the first one, of course. And that is the Viewzine Racing Tractor. Now, I've already reviewed him on my channel, so you could go check that review out. Here he is, pretty cool, nice release. You've already seen the back, you can see his artwork. I do like this one. I did explain my thoughts on this on the channel already, so make sure you check out that video. And of course, my second find was, or buy, I should say, was Hot Rod Louisiana. The last Hot Rod I needed. That was Canon, I guess, because you know Hot Rod Steve Herschel isn't Canon. He's just a release that Mattel decided to make. Yep, I already did explain my thoughts on this one as well. Yeah, here's the back, you know, all that stuff. Go check out my review on her if you haven't done already. Leave a comment as well. Yeah, that's all I got because the box is now empty. So what I'm going to do now is try and move this box out of the light box without, you know, making too much of a mess. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to zoom in now quickly. That's too much. 1.2, yeah. So yeah. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on these 2 die-casts. Of course, I'm going to try and release this video today. If it does happen, yep. Anyways, if you're new, hit that bell notification down below. Subscribe. Of course, to the next one. Peace, guys.